Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today's Desi hip hop reaction is gonna be Emiway's Seedha Takeover, and this has been produced by Flamboy, the same guy who did his My Time video as well. So yes, I know this is also the part of a beef between Emiway and Krishna. So he did Seedha Takeover, and after that Krishna's Seedha Makeover came. So I want to react to both the songs. I'll do it, but I'll post it as two separate videos. So right now this video is only Emiway's Seedha Takeover reaction, and Krishna's Seedha Makeover I will post it as a separate video, probably today or say tomorrow. We'll see. So yes, let's react to Seedha Takeover. I am guessing this is after he did the free verse. After Krishna did the free verse, this then he again, this was a reply back or a counter back to Krishna. So whatever it is, I'm really sad that there is a beef, because a lot of you told me that they also did a song together many years back when they didn't have a beef. So yeah, that's fine. I mean, artist का beef है तो हम क्या करें, हम तो गाना सुनेंगे. So yeah, so let's see what Emiway has to say in Seedha Takeover. All right, here we go.
ऑटोमेटिक मेरी गाड़ी, ऑटोमेटिक मेरा ब्रश, सब जाना चाहते हर जगह, कोई ना करता मेरी तरह स्क्रैच. हाँ, टाइम अप, गोल पोस्ट हुआ चेंज, मेरे सारे वही दोस्त, तेरा दोस्त हुआ चेंज. यू एंड क्लोज टू माय रेंज, तेरा रेंज रोवर, लेकिन आज देख तेरा हुआ गेम ओवर. बोले टेक ओवर, हे बोले टेक ओवर, सीधा सुम में बोले टेक ओवर. अभी तक के खेला मैं तो एक ओवर, कभी तक मैं खेलूंगा ये लोगों का सवाल में जवाब में परोसू. मेरा काम मेरा दाम, सुन के सुनसाम पूरा संतान तेरा, देखे आके धूमधाम हो रहा होगा शो मेरा. सीधा सुम में कुम में घूमना पड़ता मुझको, फीलिंग द स्टारडम. देख बेटा खुद को, तेरे बारे बात करने समय नहीं है मेरे पास. सीए को निपटा रहा हूँ मेरे पास, किसको और क्या सीए को निपटारा, मेरे पीए को निपटारा, मेरे पहले बने गानों का मैं वीडियो को निपटारा. मैं तो स्टूडियो बितारा, समय बितारा खुला तो बेचारा बोलेगा खुद को भुगतो कुत्तो, इन्हें भौंकने दो. एक काम करो, रुको. मेरे पास खाने को 3 वक्त का खाना है, शुगर रोजाना.
So oh, I'm sorry, there's noise coming from upstairs. So this is not a direct diss. This is not a direct diss. This is a sublime diss on whatever Krishna said to him. This is really not a very directly. He's indirectly dissing him. So yeah. Okay, I'll go back a little. कर रहे होंगे ऊपर कुछ.
गानों का मैं वीडियो को निपटारा, मैं तो स्टूडियो बितारा, समय बितारा खुला तो बेचारा बोलेगा खुद को भुगतो कुत्तो, इन्हें भौंकने दो.
It's indirect.
मेरे पास खाने को 3 वक्त का खाना है, शुगर रोजाना है, सुनाने के लिए बहुत सारा गाना है, गाना खजाना है. मेरे पास खाने को 3 वक्त का खाना है, शुगर रोजाना है, सुनाने के लिए बहुत सारा गाना है, गाना खजाना है, गाना खजाना है, गाना खजाना है. पब्लिक मुझे चाहते जैसे बैरक ओबामा, मैं आतंकी हमला हर गाना ओसामा. मैं क्यों सुनूं ताना, मैं जब करा मेरे मन के यहाँ पे जैसे वो सॉन्ग की आड़ी सी मेरी फंगी परदेसे वाली बंदी. रिएक्ट करे वीडियो पे, यूट्यूब पे गाना, फिर वर्ल्ड वाइड रेडियो पे, बिना प्रमोशन के न करूं पटेली में. करता था जब था मैं पहली में, सुलझा ना पाया कोई तो सुलझाने आया पहेली में. सबकी जलेगी जब तरक्की लगेगी, मुझे म्यूजिक का नशा है, मुझे तलब पे लगेली, सब पे बल्ब पे लगेली. कभी ना कभी चलेगी, इस्तेमाल तो कर बेटा तभी तो चलेगी. मैं कैसे करता हूँ इन्हें सोचने दो, हर जगह नहीं जाता मैं, इन्हें खोजने दो.
Hey Emiway, what's up? How much you charge?
छोड़ो रहने दो, ये सब के सब फालतू है. इन्हें भौंकने दो.
He's doing that.
इन्हें भौंकने दो.
ओ, मुझे लगा एंड में कुछ बोलेगा, कुछ माइक ड्रॉप मोमेंट होगा. हाँ, ओके. this was decent. I mean, I wouldn't say, if you ask my very honest opinion, I wouldn't say he blew my mind away the way he blew my mind away when I watched My Time. I think the second MUA reaction that I did, My Time, I personally loved that song. I really like his entire wordplay over there was fantastic. Here it was a very sublime sort of a diss. He directly did not diss Krishna, so I understand that. So I think then when Krishna did Seedha Makeover, I'm guessing because the name again is same. उसमें भी फ्री वर्स में भी कृष्णा ने वही किया था कि एवरीवे ने फ्री वर्स फीस्ट नाम डाला तो कृष्णा ने भी वही नाम यूज किया. सो दैट मेंट दैट इट वाज अ डायरेक्टर्स एंड आई एम गेसिंग सीधा मेकओवर में भी वही होगा. दैट यू नो ही इज गोना call out whatever I think he has said. He's gonna call out one by one and counter it through his rap. So I'll watch that also. But just talking about this particular song, if I just, because my last reaction of MUA was My Time, if I just compare it with My Time, I feel I'm a little underwhelmed. So I can see the growth. I mean, My Time is very superior in terms of his rap, music and everything. So I think I can definitely see the growth on him as an artist, and I feel that in compared it to My Time, I feel that इसका wordplay यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मुझे underwhelming लगा. Otherwise video wise it's fine, it's very simplistic, he has kept it simple. I like that how the background frame was red in color, and it sort of, because that's the color of blood, so he's literally coming for blood, you know, and dissing everybody through his rap. That's what I think picturization wise, I think it means that only, that he's coming for the blood of his contemporaries. Like he said in his line कि मैं कहीं ज़्यादा जाता नहीं हूँ, मैं अपने स्टूडियो में जाता हूँ तो you know मैं अपने गाने का खजाना खोलता हूँ. So I'm very busy doing my stuff. तो इन्हें भौंकने दो. I don't even care. Like क्योंकि मैं अपने CA से डील कर रहा हूँ, because I have so much money. मैं अपने PA से डील कर रहा हूँ and all of that. So he's like, in my own life, I am so busy making music, dealing with so many things, this and that I really do not have time for all others bullshit. Okay, I've already taken over you, तो मुझे किसी को prove करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is what it means. कुछ और अगर you guys wanna add, please do add that. But yes, this was decent but a little underwhelming for me, I feel, because My Time जो गाना है मैं वो काफ़ी मतलब regularly I've started, like, because now I have made a separate playlist of Desi hip hop, so I really like from that. One of my most frequently played songs is MUA's My Time. So yes, comparing it with that, because I don't have many songs to compare to, it's only the free verse. This is the third song of MUA that I'm reacting to. So between free verse, My Time and Seedha Makeover, I think My Time still remains my favorite rap, because I feel that but he has improved and got so far with his wordplay and the way he's rapping. The flow in My Time is just fantastic. Here, honestly, my very true opinion is that this was good enough, but yes, for me as a new listener also, it was pretty underwhelming. So yeah, that was my reaction to MUA's Seedha Takeover. Seedha Makeover तो अभी मैं करूँगी react. And yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you have. Please do share in your thoughts, because I know there are going to be MUA fans in the comments. There are going to be Krishna fans in the comments. So once again, no jagda jati in the comment section. Just अपना opinion देना and बताना कि what you like, what you didn't like about this song. Something that I might have missed in terms of in terms of context, more context that he's trying to give through this song. So yeah, that was it, guys, from me for this video, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.